That's cool, guys. Alright, we're gonna look for Karen. I'm kinda hungry right now. They have like food stalls also over here. So you can, you know, if you get hungry, you can have some food. Let's go find Karen. Let's go. So this is the 2018 Honda Civic Coupe, and it's red. Just to let you know, guys, my favorite color is red. So man, look at this. This is so awesome. Alright, excuse. Alright guys, let's take a look at the legroom. Alright, I'm still admiring this beautiful color right here. And I think I forgot my phone. You see that?
What's your car?
Damn. So it's been a while since I lost the vlog and all that, so I'm kind of shy right now. Yeah. I can't find Karen. Where is she? But they have free eyeglasses, which is cool. Where is Karen? I can't find her. Look. That's cool. Alright guys, now we're going to the second part of this convention center. That's the first part and second part. They have Starbucks, guys. Wow. Someday I'm gonna have that car. Alright, this is the I don't know what this is. So this is the 2018 Honda SI. Alright guys, so this is the inside of the 2018 Honda Civic Si. Right there. Look at this. Back in the Philippines, I know how to drive stick shift. Ever since I moved here in the US, I've been driving automatic. I forgot how to drive stick shift now. So. Yeah, because most of the cars here in the US, especially me, because since my work is like far away from my home, you know, it's kind of hard to have a stick shift. So I drive like 40 miles, 80 miles a day. So, you know, having a stick shift is kind of hassle when you're like going home late at night. So, you know, automatic has its... Yeah, there's Karen. If you have an automatic car, you know, it has its advantages, you know. Alright guys, this is the legroom for the 2018 Honda Civic. Not bad. Yeah. So as you can see guys, this is the legroom for the 2018. For the 2018 Honda Civic Si. Not bad. Okay, so the Chicago Auto Show, they do it like every year. I think every February. So the last time that I've been to an auto show, Chicago Auto Show, was I think first time I got here. That was like in 2009, I think. Yeah, but look at this guys. Yeah, but anyway, Karen is missing again, so we're gonna find her where she is. She said she's in Mitsubishi area. By the way, that's my car, Mitsubishi, so I can't wait to go over there. Oh wow, look at this. This is a Star Wars inspired car. Alright guys, this is where the luxury cars are. Look at that. Look at those Bentleys. Yeah. Guys, that car is Supercar Gallery. $229,000. So if you think about it, if you're gonna buy this, you're gonna be living in it because it's like, oh, that's crazy. Purple. Look at all those Bentleys. Alright, this is what I'm talking about. Lambo. Look at that. Alright guys, that's $331,000. That is awesome. Alright guys, that one is more expensive than the other one. That's $470,000. That's crazy. I mean, if I have a lot of money, I would buy it. We are not that rich. 200 okay. Horsepower is 740, top speed 217. And get this, guys, it can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds. That's awesome. Alright guys, a couple of days ago we had a pretty wild winter storm, and it's always handy if you have this car. No amount of snow is gonna stop this monster. Look at that. 3 inches, 4 inches, 12 inches. Sheesh. Nothing is gonna stop this monster. Look at that. What the heck? It's like a tank. GMC. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Hello. Okay, so I'm gonna be ending this vlog here. And once again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and give your thoughts about what I did. You know, if you guys enjoyed this, okay? And see you on the next vlog. Bye guys. Peace.